When it comes to classifying materials, there are a few key categories that scientists use to organize and understand the properties of different substances. One of the most common ways to classify materials is by their physical state: solid, liquid, or gas, known as the three states of matter. All materials are made up of tiny particles, and the state of matter depends on how strongly those tiny particles are bonded together. How well they stick together depends on the material, the temperature, and the pressure. We can recognize solids, liquids, and gases by their properties, or the way they behave. Solids are materials that have a definite shape and volume. They are made up of tightly packed particles that vibrate in place. Solids usually have a high density, which makes them heavy for their size and not easy to compress or squash. Solids are unable to flow. Examples of solids include wood, metal, and plastic. Liquids, on the other hand, have a definite volume but take the shape of their container. Liquids usually have a medium density, which also makes them difficult to squash or compress. They have particles that are more loosely packed than solids, allowing them to flow. Examples of liquids include water, oil, and milk. Gases are materials that have neither a definite shape nor volume. They are made up of particles that are far apart and move freely. Gases can expand to fill any container they are placed in. Gases have a very low density, so are easily compressed and can flow easily. Examples of gases include oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide.